What's up, everybody? It's your boy Boondog. Welcome back to the channel. And I want to start off by saying thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel. I just checked today and I'm looking at it, and we're already almost at 400 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for that. Today we're going to do another Eevee tin. This one is actually Eevee. This is another gift I got for my girlfriend, since it's her birthday this month. We've been holding off on this one because we just got it in. It's been taking forever to get to us, but give us 1 second and we're gonna have the plastic off of this and we'll get started into it. Alright, you guys, before I open this, I just wanted to say, if you guys have been enjoying the card openings, go ahead and check out another channel, Baking Cards 68, because they do Pokemon cards, card opening, and Yu-Gi-Oh card openings all the time. Check them out. I always have them linked down in my description, and I'd greatly appreciate if you guys could show them some love. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. Let's see what we got. Right off the rip, I see the beautiful promo card. Give you guys a nice close-up on that.
Ooh, so pretty.
Very pretty. I love the artwork on that one.
I like the eyes.
Yeah. Even the eyes have a sparkle to them. Alright. Here's your promo card. And let's see how many packs we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Alright. I'm gonna give these to you and let you start opening them. Oh, and while you're doing that, let me show them this. Where did these ones come from again?
Luca.
So these are more cards we got in the mail from a friend. I'll start off with the I'll start off with the Frost Moth.
Behind it.
And more importantly, what's behind the Frost Moth. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's a Schnom. We got a Schnom, y'all. Yeah. I'm gonna have a collection of Schnoms here eventually. I already know it. But we also got a beautiful holographic Arcanine. Another one I really love the artwork on.
Yeah, those are your cards right there. The Arcanine and the Schnom and the Frostmoth.
And a Houndoom.
That's mine.
This one is my girlfriend's. But she got a Houndoom.
Luca is a fellow collector, though he's not on YouTube.
Alright. Let's get into the packs, you guys. You got any for me?
Yep. All of them.
We got a full stack. Ooh. And we're going to start off with Brilliant Stars, you guys.
First one I had on top.
Move the tin out of the way. Doo-doo-doo. Don't want to come out. There we go. Guys, the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope everybody's having a really good day. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Let's see. Energy. Gloria. Roseanne's back up. Ultra Ball. Burmy. Charubi. Suck. Riolu. Starly. Oh, and what do you know? We actually got the Houndoom. Oh, snap. The card I was just showing you guys that we got in the mail.
No, I think that's different.
It looks the same. Let me see it.
Is it a trainer card?
It's the same one.
Oh, you got one, baby.
Look at that. Yo, that's cool. Alright. And a muck. Ooh, look at that muck. Oh, homie's going everywhere with it. Alright.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Now you got a Houndoom and I got a Houndoom.
Next pack up is another Brilliant Stars. Also, if you guys could, I have them down in my description as well. Check out That King Decisives and Shade OGX Green 420. They're always uploading different interesting gaming content, and I mess with both of them very heavily, and I highly recommend y'all do too, because they are awesome. Let's see what we got. Ultra Ball, Vibrava, Tropius, Snorunt, a Nose Pass, Dedenne, Cubchoo, Shinx,
Oh, I like Shinx.
Golurk, Reverse Hollow.
I like Golurk.
Ooh, we got a Kingler V.
Ooh,
I believe it's a full art. Ooh,
that is quite nice.
I like the way the color hits on that one. Alright, Kingler V. Here you go. What do we got next? Oh, we got Evolving Skies, you guys. We got 2 packs of the Evolving Skies. Alright. Here's the code card. Doo-doo-doo. SQ? I am not familiar with this guy, but he's cool. I think that's the first one we got of him.
Yeah.
A Skip Bloom, Rapid Strike, Elemental Badge, Gossifleur, Feebuzz, Rapid Strike, Hippo Guy, Lily Pup, a Nickit,
Another Nickit.
a Victini Reverse Hollow.
Oh, that's nice.
Very nice.
I don't think I have one of those.
And a Melodic Rapid Strike. Not a hollow, but nice.
I don't care.
Beautiful artwork,
That's
regardless.
beautiful. I'm very happy.
There you go. And then on to the next pack of Evolving Skies, you guys. Get out of there. A Lantern, Treasure Energy, Digging Gloves, Blow Tad, Teddy Ursa, nice pretty artwork on him.
I don't have that.
That's
artwork
pretty cute.
Of him.
Pretty cute card. Alright. Cryogano, another Nickit, Dwabble, a Lucky Ice Pop Reverse Hollow,
Ooh.
and a Gorgeist. Yeah, that guy. Here you go. And on to the last pack. Last pack is a Fusion Strike. Let's hope we get a banger in the last one, you guys.
I don't know. We already got some bangers.
We already got some good ones. Let's hope we get some Super Fire. 1, 2, 3, 4. Garbodor.
Ooh.
Marshtomp. Eldegoss. Muna. Meowth.
Ooh, that's a different art than the mouth I have.
I like that one.
Mm-hmm.
Meryl.
I like that one too.
I like that one a lot. I'm just chilling in the water. Ooh, Helioptile. However you pronounce that, this guy, he looks pretty cool, and that's definitely the first time we got one of these.
Oh yeah, it's definitely new.
A Wooloo.
I haven't seen that either.
Ooh, a reverse hollow Morpeko.
Hello, Morpeko.
And a Goodra. Not a hollow, but not bad. Alright. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you could, please leave a like. Comment down what your favorite card in this unboxing was. And yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe.
The Houndoom was my favorite because now we both got one.
I'd have to agree.
I'll give you the one that's in the case.
Thank you. Most of all, y'all have a beautiful day, though. Later.